everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is UJ Peps. If you see me for the first time, my name is UJ and I am a registered nurse in the United Kingdom. On today's episode, I am going to be sharing with you 12 highest paid nursing specialties in the United Kingdom. And if you're yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly press the subscribe button and notification button so you get notified when I post a new video. Let me get right into this video. Nursing, of course, is a great career and rewarding career, and it actually requires a great level of skills, knowledge, dedication, and also empathy. And it is very much important that nurses are paid well for the great job that they do on a daily basis and their specialized skills that they also possess. In the UK, there are different roles that actually offer competitive salaries to the nurses, but on this particular video I'm going to be sharing with you 12 highest paid nursing specialties in the United Kingdom. Let's get right to it. The first highest paid nursing specialty on my list is the clinical nurse specialist. Nurse, as the name suggests, there are advanced nurses that actually specialize in a specialized area of healthcare. It could be oncology, pediatric, medicine, emergency, etc. And to become a clinical nurse specialty, you first of all have a degree and you have to become a registered nurse with the Nursing and Midwifery Council. You should be actually having some experience. You must have gained some level of experience, and also some of them actually have to undergo some advanced training in this special area of interest. The CNA, they actually earn approximately 31,000 to 72,000 per year. The second nursing specialty on my list is the advanced nursing practitioner. As the name suggests, they actually work independently to diagnose and treat patients, and they are authorized to be able to prescribe medications and other diagnostic procedures for the patient. They actually work closely with the doctors, the MDT, and the other members of the healthcare team. To become an advanced nurse practitioner, you must have a degree, be a registered nurse with the Nursing and Midwifery Council, and then become a senior nurse in your specialized area to be able to be eligible for the master's degree program called the Advanced Clinical Practitioner Program that takes approximately 2 to 3 years to be completed in the United Kingdom. On completion of this master's degree, you can become an advanced nurse practitioner. The advanced nurse practitioner, they actually earn between 35,000 to 72,000 per year in the United Kingdom, and they are mostly band 8B in the UK, one of the highest paid clinical nurse specialties in the United Kingdom. The third highest paid nursing specialty on my list is the nurse manager. As the name suggests, they're actually responsible for overseeing the day-to-day activities in the healthcare facility. They are actually responsible for managing the staff, budgeting of the ward, and also the resources that are also available for the members of the staff. They ensure that the patient in the ward is being cared for appropriately, and the care is also delivered in a high standard within the policies and the procedures of that particular organization. And to be a nurse manager, you have to have a nursing degree, become a registered nurse, have some level of experience in that particular practice. They can also consider going through extra education such as the master's degree program or the PhD program also, and it can actually take you as fast as 5 years in the United Kingdom to become a nurse manager. The nurse managers, they earn approximately 35,000 to 72,000 per year in the United Kingdom. The fourth highest paid nurse specialty on my list is the nurse researcher. If you are very much interested in becoming a researcher, then this job is definitely for you. They conduct research studies to be able to improve patient care, safety, and outcome, and they work in different varieties of settings, such as in the universities, in the hospital, in the research organizations, etc. To become a nurse researcher, you actually need to have an interest in research, be a registered nurse, have a degree in nursing, and you can literally apply online. To get this experience, you can actually first of all volunteer to work in research facilities or have a research studies to be able to gain some experience, because some organizations might actually require you to have an experience in research before giving you this opportunity. The nurse researchers, they earn approximately £34,500 per year. The fifth highest paid nursing specialty on my list is the nurse educator. The nurse educator, they simply teach, they inspire, and they train nurses. They actually develop and implement educational programs that are available, and they work together with hospitals, universities, and communities to help to ensure that proper education is actually provided to both the nursing students and also nursing staff. To become a nurse educator, you have to first of all have a degree, become a registered nurse with the Nursing and Midwifery Council, have some experience in a certain area of interest. You may or may not be required to actually pursue any higher education or maybe some trainings for this role. The average salary for nurse educators in the UK is approximately £42,103 per year. The sixth highest paid nursing specialty on my list is the nurse anesthetics. Of course, this is one of the reigning specialty in the United Kingdom now. Advanced practice, there are actually advanced practice nurses who are actually responsible for administering anesthesia for patients that are undergoing surgery or other surgical procedure. They actually work together with the anesthesiologists, nurses, and other members of the healthcare team in the theatre to provide effective care to those patients and to ensure that those patients actually receive effective anesthesia. To become a nurse anesthetics, you first of all have to have a nursing degree, be registered with the Nursing and Midwifery Council, and have experience in that particular interest, mostly in the theatre. And then the nurse anesthetics, they earn approximately £34,290 per year. The seventh highest paid nursing specialty on my list is the mental health nurses. Obviously, mental health nurses are registered nurses who are specialized in mental health. So they have specialized training in the field of mental illness, and they actually work with patients that have different mental health issues. They promote a range of services such as proper assessment of those patients, providing proper medication, and other therapies that are applicable for those patients. To become a mental health nurse, you have to have a bachelor's degree in mental health. Become a registered nurse with the Nursing and Midwifery Council, or actually undergo some nursing apprenticeship program in the mental health field. The salary for mental health nurses, they can actually vary depending on some factors such as location, experience, and etc. And then they earn approximately £31,000 to £44,000 per year. The eighth highest paid nursing specialty on my list are the theatre nurses. They work in operating theatre or surgical sites, and they provide care to patients preoperatively, intraoperatively, and post-operatively. They actually prepare the operating theatre, operating room. They actually assist the surgical team during the procedure. They monitor the patient before, during, and after the procedure, and they ensure that all the instruments that are to be used for these procedures are very much sterile. The salary for the theatre nurses is approximately £31,762 per year. The ninth highest paid nursing specialty on my list is the midwife. The midwife are specialized nurses that offer advices, care, and assistance to women and infants during pregnancy, labor, and postpartum period. They actually empower and also provide education to nursing mothers or maybe pregnant women all through their journey during pregnancy. To become a midwife, you have to actually have a degree in midwifery. And then if you are not a midwife, if you are a nurse and want to become a midwife, you can actually go through the apprenticeship program to become a midwife. And the midwife, they actually earn an average salary of around £36,937 per year for a start. The 10th highest paid nursing specialty on my list is the pain management nurse. They work with individuals who suffer post-treatment pain or maybe chronic pain of any sort. They actually evaluate pain levels of those patients and they manage the psychosocial and medical needs of those patients. They administer and prescribe medications for those patients, and then they also teach medication techniques to those patients. They actually provide proper course for people and also make sure that the patients follow them. To become a pain management nurse, you have to be a registered nurse, have a degree, and also have some experience. You can actually go undergo some trainings to be able to join this specialty. The pain management nurses earn approximately £37,300 per year. The 11th highest paid nursing specialty on my list is the cardiac nurse specialty. The cardiac nurse specialty work together with the cardiologist to treat both acute and chronic heart conditions for those patients, such as heart attack and etc. They actually work as a team to monitor the cardiac and the vascular rhythm of those patients. They work both in the hospitals, in the ICU, in the medical clinics, and they provide effective care to ensure that heart issues are being prevented and also treat them if they are there. The average salary for cardiac nurse specialists is approximately £32,231 per year. 12th highest paid nursing specialty on my list is the pediatric nurse specialty. These are nurses that care for children from birth right till when they are adults, like from birth till 18 years of age. They actually assist in the child growth and development period, and they also provide support to the families and caregivers by administering treatment to those children. To become a pediatric nurse, you must actually have a degree in pediatric or children nursing, and then you must be registered with Nursing and Midwifery Council to become, or you can be able to actually go through the apprenticeship program to become a pediatric nurse. The average salary of pediatric nurses is approximately £31,000 to £35,000 per year. Thank you so much for watching today's episode, and I will see you in my next one. If you're yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, like, and share. Take care. Bye.